You're not going to believe what I'm going to show to you right now.
What do you think about this conversation right here? All right, let me expand this so that you see it better. Now, what do you think? Can you or can you differentiate the real from the fake between these two conversation right here? It's real, right? It's a nice conversation, right? What if I tell you that that conversation is totally fake? It was totally generated, auto-generated. All right. The details, every single thing in that conversation is fake. Fake conversation, fake WhatsApp conversation.
And it is called fake WhatsApp conversation. This is for educational purposes, and the reason why you have to know this is so that when you come across things like this, you don't get moved. All right. So most people that does some kind of marketing and you need some kind of proof, yeah, these are some of the tools that you could use. All right. You won't believe that you can create a totally long conversation that are totally fake. All right. Now you can create a conversation with somebody from anywhere around the world that is totally fake. Profile picture, everything totally correct, but it's all fake. Alright. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to do that and how that is actually done so that when you come across them you know which is real and which is not real. Now with this little technology, with this kind of technology or this kind of thing, it's the world is becoming so illusional that it is now becoming difficult to believe what you thought is real. Like the more you look and the less you see. The more you look, the less you see. The more you think that something is real, the less that thing is real. Because actually, if you can actually do this, all right, if you can actually do this, it makes it practically impossible for anybody to believe any other WhatsApp conversation that you could see, all right, on another person's phone. Or maybe someone say, okay, I chatted him, okay, let me send our conversation, all right. It's hard to actually believe, okay. So let's just dive right into the video and take a look at it right here. So this is the website. Go to fakewhatsapps.com, fakewhats.com, rather, fakewhats.com. All right. And then you can see here, you can see the website. Maybe when you arrive it might look different. You can actually get a fake sim here from any country. You can actually generate a lot of fake things right here. All right, fake sim card and then fake number, and then be chatting with somebody and the person might never know that you're the person chatting with them. All right. But this is crazy, except this video should be used for something good, not something bad, okay. All right, so let's click on, if you click on fake or generator, whichever one. Okay, let's click on generator right here. Now you can see the setup right here. Now if I scroll down my system, you see WhatsApp conversation. This looks so real, right? Now let's configure it. All right, let me configure it here. Let me change the name here. Let me name it. Let me say I'm talking to one of my community member. Like, let me call it �3x1 right here. All right. Okay. And then the person status should be online, right? Most time you can change it to offline. All right. So, but for now I'll leave it online the way it is. That's okay. Then you can show or not show profile picture. Okay, show profile picture. All right, now you can literally upload profile picture for that person. Let me upload like a profile picture like here. This no, I don't want to use my face. All right, let me upload this kind of profile picture. All right, and now you can now choose, most persons are using different network. You can now choose the network here. Let me choose MTN. All right, so that's the network of the display on the person's phone. Now you can literally choose the time. Okay, let's say I had a conversation this morning or I had a conversation this afternoon. You can actually change the time to let's just, you don't have much to change here. Let's just change it to 10 a.m. All right, and then chat. you can leave it as it is. Chat, contacts, you can leave it as it is. I don't know where that changes is, but you can just leave it as it is. Then message, all right, you can leave message as it is, all right. Or yeah, this is where the message is. You can leave it as it is, or just change. Then here, click on the next battery option. You can literally reduce the battery percentage. If you are creating like so many conversations, you can change the battery percentage. Let's say, and people will say that, okay, I think the battery percentage is not the same thing. You can choose whether to show the percentage or not, just to show different varieties of and different settings of different phone. And then connection here. Now you can literally see that this person is connected to Wi-Fi. All right, I can decide, okay, I don't want this person to be connected to Wi-Fi. You can choose the signal strength here. You can either reduce the signal strength. Now you can see a reduced signal strength or increase the signal strength. All right, like the network, you can see the network strength right here. I follow my cursor. Now you can actually increase it, all right, to the highest, or reduce it a little bit to make it look realistic. All right, you can decide to okay, disable the Wi-Fi option and say, and let's say this person is using a 4G phone, all right, 4G, all right, or you can use 3G, or you can totally put off. Look at I don't know whether you're seeing what I'm showing. Okay, 4G, you can see 4G showing right there. All right, now let's come over to the message right here. Now this is where you switch the conversation. Like here, you can come to the phone here and delete the picture. You want to get rid of the picture or get rid of this conversation. Let me delete this ones, and let's start a real conversation. All right, now I can decide to look it. You can see here is gray when you want to act as the sender, and then put here green bubble when you want to act as the receiver. Then you can click here double red, all right, to show that the message is read or delivered. If you want the person, you want it to show like the person have not read, or send if the person is not online. You can literally create all this phenomenon. Okay, let's say the person say hi, all right, hi, all right. Now somebody say hi, and then you can literally reply by checking that and say hello, and then add conversation. And let's say the person is trying to ask you a question. Let's say upload a picture. You can actually upload a picture. Let's say you upload a picture and the person asks like, have you subscribe to 𝐷𝐸𝐿𝐼𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻 all right, at this point here, okay, look at the conversation right there. It looks really great, right? All right, you guys should at this point you can subscribe to my channel right here now. All right, and then let's say the person want to reply, you can check the green box again, and this time around you can create a timestamp by copying this message here, copying it, paste it here, like you're replying to that message. All right, you know the normal way you reply to the message, you say yes, I just subscribe, and I as well enabled my notification bell button to all, and then add conversation. All right, now this is a successful conversation. You can see it here. I've subscribed to conversation, like I'm replying to what he just said here. All right, I just replied to that now. All right, so you can see that this is like this is a successful conversation between two individuals, and I can download it, and then Okay, once you do that, click on download, then right click save image as. Okay, I can save it as PNG or JPN or however. Let me call it WhatsApp conversation. All right, and it's saved. All right, let's view the picture. Can you see how clear it is? This is a clear WhatsApp conversation between two persons. All right, like between two persons. You can see how smooth it is. Let me reduce it a bit. All right. So with this now, this is what a lot of person use for all this marketing, and they be like, whoa, I saw somebody posted on the WhatsApp like it was real. Come on, it's real. But with this now, all these things have their reversal. With this now, it's going to create a lot of suspicions, on people, on marketing, but not everybody know about this yet. All right, I'm just saying this so that all of you that falls prey to those Ponzi will not fall prey of such again. And some of y'all that want to do some effective marketing and you need some proof, you can as well do them. So just don't use it for the wrong reason. So if by now you're not saying subscribe, please subscribe. All right, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin right now. See you in my next video.